A lot of people are trying to portray storefront stalking as a god-tier sourcing method. I'm here to tell you the truth. It is not. A lot of the guys that are actually selling you storefront stalking as the best beginner sourcing methods actually did not start online arbitrage with doing storefront stalking, all right? It's actually a trash-ass method, and in today's video, I'm going to tell you why. Of course, I am not saying that you should not do storefront stalking at all, but you should not believe that it is one of the best sourcing methods. Before we actually start, I am offering one-on-one coaching. If you need someone to help you scale your Amazon business, all right, help you build a plan to reach your goals, if you have trouble with sourcing, with whatever else you could have trouble with, book a call with me. Best way to actually overcome those obstacles and scale your business way faster, all right? Second link in the description, you're going to find the Discord server. Best place to network, because networking is one of the things that is going to help you grow faster as well. So join the Discord server, come hang out, come ask your questions. When we have live call, come hang out, talk with people, stuff like that. You're going to meet some friends, you're going to learn a lot of stuff, all right? So join the Discord server. So, as I was saying, in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly why I believe that storefront stalking is a trash-ass method. The first reason why it is trash is because when you actually do storefront stalking, all right, expecting to find a lot of leads, you need to realize that you are basically late to the party, all right? So when you look at someone's storefront, most of the time you are going to see, like best case scenario, you are going to find leads, you are going to find products that were on sale a couple of weeks ago, like best case scenario, products that were on sale 2 weeks ago that are not on sale anymore. Other things that you're going to find is all the leads that actually tank and that the guy is not selling, all right? Or he's just either leads that are not selling or leads that, you know, the specific person is actually sitting on until the price bounces back up. This is the type of leads you're going to find, because think of it, most of the leads that are sitting in someone's storefront is the stuff that is not selling. The stuff that is flying out of the shelf, most of the time you do not see it in the storefront because like it's flying super fast. So, except if you have some softwares to actually track what products come in and out of storefronts, it's kind of hard to, it's quite inefficient. This is the world, it's not trash, it's an inefficient sourcing method. This is the best way to put it. Mainly because, as I said, you're late to the party, all right? The best way to source is to know what sales are going on and to actually look at those sales instead of looking at what other people are selling, all right? Of course, looking at what other people are selling can help you because you can start getting an eye to what's selling on Amazon, try to figure it out, but we should stop portray storefront stalking as a great sourcing method. It's okay. It's not a great sourcing method. Manual sourcing is way more efficient when you know what you're doing. Using software such as tactical arbitrage is way more efficient than you doing storefront stalking. I don't give a shit what everybody else is saying. It's not. Storefront stalking is not a great sourcing method. Not only that, but because, as I said, most of the products that you can find easily doing storefront stalking are going to tank super fast, all right? If you are a beginner, the only thing that you do is storefront stalking, and you are wondering why all your products are tanking, is just because you are doing storefront stalking, all right? You are finding the exact same product as everybody else is doing, because everything that you do is storefront stalking. You do not know shit about building a moat around your product, and so you just find random ass product, like basic ass products that everybody is finding super easily, because everybody is reverse sourcing the exact same products. And so that's why you see a sharp increase in the number of offers, and then the price is going down. Because, to be honest, if like the products that you are going to find, way more products that you find with storefront stalking are going to tank than the products that you would find manually sourcing sales. Why? Because with storefront stalking, if a product is easy to find, everybody is going to find this product, all right? You are never going to find the great products that you can find doing like manual sourcing a sale, all right? Because by the time people actually start selling those products, they will not be on sale anymore. And so you are going to miss on all those products because of that, because you want to stick with storefront stalking, which is a trash as sourcing method, all right? As I said in the other video, I think I made a video a few days ago on this, the best sourcing method, in my opinion, is manually sourcing sales, limited time sales. Because one big misconception that beginners have is that you can source the same product every single day profitably, and most of the products that are just like this tank, all right? Because if a product is available all the time profitably, the product is going to tank. What you want is a product that is on sale not too often, and you want to learn the sales cycle and actually go deep on this product when it goes in on sale, so you can stay in stock until the next sale. This is where you want to go. This is where you want to go with your business. This is what you want to do. This is what you want to become as a seller, all right? If you just do storefront stalking, you are only going to find product that tanks, because you all source the same exact product. You all start from the same exact product. You start from Good & Gather's, you start from Walmart branded product, you start with Target branded product, and you're going to find the exact same product, because the product that you start from are trash. I have a whole lot of videos on how to actually start reverse sourcing. If you still want to do storefront stalking, you need to find a good product to start from. But even if you start, and here's the thing, when you have no knowledge of where to find products and stuff, storefront stalking is not going to be that good, in my opinion, as I said, because of this. Because you really start getting good at storefront stalking when you actually, like most of the time, right now, when I'm storefront stalking, and even when I'm having coaching calls with people and I ask them, because when they say they have problems with storefront stalking and stuff like that, ask them to show me how they source, or they actually reverse source. They skip a lot of products, and even when I was doing it for free in the Discord server, you guys may have been there. They skip a lot of products that are actually good products, and that I know are good products because I did this so much, all right? Because they think that the price is not right, or they actually search for this product. And most of the time when it's like this, I've done this shit so much that, I see this product and I'm telling them, hey, why are you skipping this product? This product is actually profitable if you buy it from X, Y, or Z website. So look better, because most of the time you do not have that knowledge of websites, all right? And you build that knowledge of website by actually manually sourcing website, by actually scanning website with tactile arbitrage, by actually looking at what's on sale on those websites. So when you actually do storefront stalking, you can see what other people are selling. And so, for example, let's say you have a product that sells really good at Walgreens, all right? And you scan the Walgreens list every single day, and you basically become really proficient at sourcing Walgreens. It then becomes really interesting to actually start actually stalking the storefronts of people selling on the same listings as you, the products from Walgreens, because there's probably some products that you did not see, that if you scanned you did not see, or that, this is when it actually starts becoming interesting, because you're going to start seeing products, and if you scan Walgreens every day, if you source Walgreens every day, you are going to have new products in your brain's database, if I can say it like that. But to be honest, I think storefront stalking is not sold the right way. Yes, storefront stalking as a specific space, how should I say that? As its place amongst your arsenal of sourcing method, but it's a subpar sourcing method, in my opinion, all right? Yes, you can find some leads doing it, but it's inefficient. It's really inefficient. I would argue that actually using the Keepa product finder and getting good at actually understanding how to use the Keepa product finder to run some interesting search and actually trying to find some product is a way better use of your time as a beginner, a way better skill to develop, to find some products that are not going to tank, all right? Because I guarantee that if you start as a complete beginner with storefront stalking, yes, you're going to find some products, but like 80% of the products that you're going to find are going to tank, because you do not know shit about websites. You are not that good at analyzing keeper graph, and everybody's going to jump on the same product as you, because you do not necessarily have a good eye for products. You do not have a deep knowledge of sourcing, of sales cycle, stuff like that, and everybody's finding the same product as you. So if everybody jumps on the products, the price is going to go down. So yeah, I would say try to get really good at using the Keepa product finder. I would actually, if I can actually recommend someone to learn from for the Keepa product finder, it would be Chris Grant on Twitter, Clear the Shelf. He has great, he often posts a lot of ways that he actually used the Keepa Product Finder, which is he's been selling for a little while, and so he got a really good understanding of the Keepa Product Finder, how Amazon works. And so I would actually, instead of doing reverse sourcing, storefront stalking all the time, actually try to learn if you can learn from it. I think he got a course on it, and I don't think it's too expensive. So if you have the funds, I would actually jump on it. I haven't bought it myself. Maybe I should. To actually learn more about Keepa. But yeah, you know, I do not often recommend people. I do not even know him personally. We've never talked. I don't think he does. I don't even think he knows that I exist. But yeah, I think he really understands Keepa, and he has a course on Keepa. So I would get this course instead of doing reverse sourcing all day. All right, and storefront stalking. So that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. I have a video on Keepa, by the way, on how to use the product finder.